Okay, so to get started on our digital portfolio, the first thing you're supposed to do is make a new project folder. So I've already done that. If I look at my folder here, this is my OneDrive project folder for my favorite things. Here's the new one for digital portfolio. So we're going to go through these step by step. The first step is to open File Explorer and then find my titles Photoshop file. So here's File Explorer. I'm going to go to my project folder where I have all my stuff, and I'm going to find my most recent one. So this is the one, even though I have lots of them from different days, this is the most recent. I can know that by clicking on Date Modified, and these are the most recent things that I've done. So this is the file I'm going to copy. The next step is to go to your new digital portfolio project folder. Let's do that. So I'm going to back up, or I can go over here, since it's expanded, digital portfolio project folder. The next step, paste a copy of your titles file in the new folder. So since we've copied it, now when I go to this project folder for digital portfolio, I have pasted this copy. We don't want them to have the same name. We want to make sure we're cropping and throwing details away in the file from our header one. So that's why we have step number 5, the most important, which is to rename the file to this. So I'm going to copy that text, go back to my folder, and rename it. There are 3 ways to rename. Right-click and rename is the one that you're most familiar with. If you click once on the file, when it's selected, it turns blue. That's a rename. And then F2, the function key at the top, is the keyboard shortcut for renaming. I'm going to paste, change my name, and there you go. Now you have a portfolio headers Photoshop file. And when you double click on it, to keep working on your headers, you will see that this is all of the different layers. If you have them split into separate Photoshop files, then open the one that has the intro, because this is one that we are going to use. Let me hide all the rest of them to do that cropping. If these are still Photopea text boxes, then you have to make sure that this is in the cropping box, because it's just really a picture from Photopea of what those words look like. I suggest editing them and picking a new font. Then it's a Photoshop one, and you can move it around as you need to. Do that for all of the ones with the yellow exclamation point, and you'll be in better shape.